Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tehila. Welcome new subscribers or subscribers. So on this hot Saturday afternoon, I and some of my friends decided to pay a visit to Degree 101 located in central area Abuja. So this is the inside. As you can see, it's a really nice place to relax, take good photos, and have a nice meal with your friends. Yeah, so this is the menu. Well, it looks nice from the outside. Inside, yep. So can you imagine, these people kept us waiting for an hour plus without attending to us. Like after my friend literally had to go and collect the menu for us to like go through, and even after we decided on what we wanted to get, nobody came to attend to us for like 15 minutes plus. She had to go and make another trouble before somebody finally came. I ordered for the plain masa without minced meat and soup with ginger juice, and then the other person, Planji, ordered the minced meat masa with zobo and soup. Ella also did the same thing with the stick meat. So if you want stick meat, yeah, you can get that. I'm not really much of a beef person, so I just went for the plain one. I'm funny enough, this was the first time I was eating masa with soup. I always eat masa but never would like the soup. I just eat it like that. So yeah, this was a great experience for me. The food was nice. I wish they had attended to us earlier than they came, because it was actually annoying waiting, but we had a nice time. The meal was great, the masa was great. Yeah, though they didn't have most of the drinks we wanted. Like I initially wanted lemonade, they did not have lemonade, so I have to opt for ginger juice. Planji wanted mojito, they did not have mojito, so he had to opt for the zobo. And then yeah, this other fish, she always is a zobo person, yeah, so she went with the zobo she always goes for. Yeah, so it was actually a great time. We had a great time. See, empty our plates from full plates to empty plates. Yeah, so we actually enjoyed ourselves. It was a nice place, and their foods are really affordable. They're not pricey. I think we spent less than 10k for the three of us who and we actually were like filled, like we're satisfied. That's what I mean. Yeah, so those are the empty plates. Overall, I will give this place an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because the food was great, but then they wasted so much time before taking our orders. And I would advise you order online rather than go to the restaurant. They attend to people faster online than when you go to the restaurant. So that is it from me to you. I hope you loved the video. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share. See you next time in my next video.